Hello, I'm delighted to have this opportunity to tell you about our realist evaluation of the bail supervision scheme for children. We aim to identify if the scheme worked and also how and why it worked and for whom and under what conditions it worked. There were some challenges, including a small sample size and the context in that the intervention took place in a complex environment and required collaboration between multiple services and agencies. We used contribution analysis as a framework and incorporated a quasi-experimental element to ensure a comprehensive yet pragmatic realist approach. Using diverse methodology, we analyzed multiple data types from multiple sources and triangulated these findings. In our interview study, we focused on 5 young people who had diverse outcomes. We took a bottom-up approach, interviewing the young people and their caregivers first, followed by the frontline professionals who work directly with the young people, and finally management. This provided a focused yet holistic understanding of context and mechanisms. We found that procedures on all levels that ensured buy-in to the scheme was at the heart of successful outcomes. The enabling and disabling mechanisms for agencies and services are outlined here, and for the families are outlined here. The strengths-based approach taken by the therapist resulted in a co-production of an enabling environment. This contributed to young people's positive behavior changes. We triangulated findings from the analysis of interview data, service providers' weekly case reports, and police crime data to assess outcomes. Improvements in parenting skills and home environments contributed to a decrease in aggressive behavior and substance misuse, and an increase in bail compliance. Analysis of crime data over 3 time points identified a 72% reduction in reoffending for the intervention group. This compares well with a 37% reduction for a matched control group. Importantly, at their sentencing hearing, the vast majority of young people receive community sanctions, thereby avoiding detention. Our pragmatic realist evaluation was the primary evidence that informed the policy decision to fund the extension of the scheme to other parts of the country, ensuring that we do better for this marginalised group of young people. I am happy to answer any questions, and also my contact details can be found at the bottom corner. Thank you very much for listening.